Seriously, the best dip ever. You need to try it. Hey there, it's Allison with everydayshortcuts.com, and today we're going to be making smoked queso dip. So what you need for this smoked queso dip is brown seasoned hamburger meat, Velveeta cheese, diced onions, pepper jack cheese, Fiesta blend cheese, cilantro, Roma tomatoes, cream cheese, minced garlic, and salsa. And you also need an aluminum pan. I'm using a 9x13 pan. It's a disposable pan. It's great for easy cleanup. When you're done with it, you can just put the leftovers in a bowl and then throw this away. Now, let's get started making this recipe. First, add your meat in the pan. Then you're gonna cube a 32-ounce block of Velveeta cheese. Then you're going to cube 8 ounces of pepper jack cheese. Then you're going to add 8 ounces of the Fiesta blend cheese. Cut up 2 Roma tomatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half of a medium onion diced, 1 cup of salsa, 4 ounces of cream cheese cubed, 1 tablespoon of cilantro. Okay, we got the king of the smoker here, my husband George, who's going to share what he uses to make this smoked queso dip.
I use the Weston pecan wood. Some of the chunks are pretty big, so I do cut them down a little bit, make them fit my smoker nice. And then you want to load your wood tray, single layer. I have 2 burners on my smoker, but it's way too hot if you try to use 2. But I load them both. That way I can turn the other side on and then go back and forth and make more smoke. Load your wood. Turn your propane on. If you're using electric or any other type of smoker, you're going to want to be at about 225. Next, you'll want to get whatever kind of liquid you're going to use. I usually use either a beer, apple juice, something to just keep it moist. So once you get the liquids in your smoker, I'm going to use 2 beers and a Sprite. If you don't have a smoker, you can use a charcoal grill and build your fire on the one side, then put your queso on the other side indirectly, heating it, and just make sure your temperature is around that 225 degrees. Or if you have a grill that's gas, you can just turn the burner on the one side, get it up to temperature, and then load your queso on the other side of the grill. Once your smoker's up to temperature, you can put your queso in. I like to wait until I'm getting some smoke generated and the heat's right.
Look how delicious that already looks, and it hasn't even cooked yet. All right, here we go. We are going to put it in the smoker. I'll see you in about 1.5 to 2 hours.
Okay, now the smoker's up to temperature, 225. It's creating some pretty good smoke. And you're going to want to put your queso dip in. I like to keep it on the middle shelf. And I like to check it every half hour. It could be done as soon as an hour and a half, but at least an hour and a half, maybe 2. Half hour's passed, so now we're going to pull it out and stir it. Okay, so it's completely stirred, mixed well, put back in the smoker for the next half hour. It's getting there now. Maybe one more half hour and we should be good. Make sure to stir the top completely in, because that's where you're going to get your smoky flavor in your dip.
Okay, here we go. This is the taste test of the smoked queso dip. Seriously, the best dip ever. You need to try it. Get the recipe down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like.